So what are you doing?
I make a
Okay, we are actually working on this fun Play-Doh fun factory.
fun factory.
Yes, fun factory. And Coco is actually making. What are you making?
I make a splash. I make
Okay, this is what you do. It comes with several items, mold shapes.
We use the
Add compound, slide in the rail, and then press out cool designs. So pretty much this is what you get. And I love the molds because it's easy. You can slide it down. Right, Coco?
Yeah.
So let's test it out and see how it works. Ready? Open it up. Show them how to do it. Perfect. You take it out. Put your Play-Doh in there and then you press it. Oh, look at what it comes out. Nice. And then you have the little knife right there. Cut it. Perfect. Wow, let's see what you did. Amazing. Okay, now let's try another one. We're going to take the mold out. Right there.
No.
Can you slide it off?
It's more than these pillows.
It's Play-Doh. It's stuck in there. Let's try to clean it off. Out.
This one pillow.
Okay. Do you want to do the other mold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mold.
Let's slide that one out. Here, can you slide it in?
Okay.
Take this one out. Slide it.
Wait, what? Wait.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
We're going to clean all this out.
Hi.
Did you clean it out?
Yeah.
Try to clean this part out. Okay, clean this. Get all the Play-Doh out. Got it? Okay, now it's all out. So let's slide this in. This one. There we go. Push it in.
No, with this one.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, take this one out and slide it in.
This one?
We're going to slide it in. Okay, slide it. Slide this, slide it.
Wait! Let's put in this.
There it comes out. Wow, look at that.
It's so a snake with it.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's so a wizard.
It looks, what does it look like? Like kind of like a wavy.
It's so a wizard.
Yes.
We'll see the work.
You open it up.
What?
Then?
The water pills are there.
Yeah, I'll clean it out. Take all the Play-Doh out.
Wait,
This is so much fun. Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try a different. Oh, look at that. Are you cleaning it all out or putting more? Let's put more in there. Put more.
Good.
Okay, and then let's try a different shape. There we go. Let's try this one. Now, are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa,
It's
there
coming.
it comes. Wow, look at that. You have this little star right here too. I like this one. It's so nice. Look at the two colors. I have an idea. Let's try the spaghetti one.
Spaghetti.
Here, open it up. Can you
What?
open it up? This one.
This one?
Pull it out. There you go. And then slide this out. Then slide the spaghetti out in there. Hold it, hold it. Hold it tight. There you go.
This one?
Okay.
This one?
Yes. Hold this. Hold it. Let me slide this first. Ready? Now let's do this. Wait. Oh, there's a different shape. Oh, look at that one. Wow. beautiful. This is so much fun.
We need to fill up.
Let's do the spaghetti now.
Was it the bowling ball? Was it the bowling ball?
Yes.
Okay. Here it goes. Okay, let's put in the bowling ball. Okay.
Hold this, hold this.
Okay.
Okay, hold it tight so that I can push it. Ready?
Okay. Where's the more?
Hey, look, it's coming out.
Oh, this is the spaghetti.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yummy. It was delicious.
It's delicious.
Yeah, let's eat it.
You want to eat it?
Yeah.
You can't eat Play-Doh. It's yucky.
Yucky.
All right, let's try this. You can open this up. Let's open this up. Can you open it? Okay, and then you can make some fun stuff here. You have another mold. See, this is a press it. Let's see if we can find. Look. When you press it, look what comes. Let's do another one. A butterfly.
Let's see.
Can you press it?
Yeah.
Press it. Hard. Okay, take it off. And what do we have?
Ah,
What is that?
a butterfly.
A butterfly.
Which knife?
Right here.
Aha! This one.
You're gonna use the plastic one.
Yeah.
Cut it out.
Uh-oh. Yeah, make it
Okay.
take out. It's a butterfly.
Isn't that nice? All right, that was it. Have fun.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.